Hey everyone, I'm working on this Troybilt TB 105, and it's a year old. The customer brought it to me, said it doesn't run. I'm like, awesome, it's the carburetor. It's always the carburetor, right? So I took the carb apart, cleaned it, and sure enough, it was dirty. Put it back together, and I couldn't get it to start. And I finally got it to start, and it kind of ran really crappy. And this has that stupid auto choke, and you can't really see it, but there's like a linkage that goes from here to the muffler, and there's a linkage here, and it's just a mess. But anyway, I couldn't get it to run right no matter what I did. So I took my own personal machine, which this is my crappy yard machine. If you saw the video, I bought this for 20 bucks, cleaned the carb. It's been great ever since. So I took the carburetor off of this and put it on there, and it ran exactly the same. So I was like, weird. So I pulled the coil off of this and put it on there. And now it runs mint. Let me see if I could get it, start it and show you. So this is the Troybilt with the new coil that I borrowed from mine. It might smoke a little because I had it tipped earlier. Seems to run really good. Now I'm going to show you what it ran like on my machine. Okay, this is my machine, the yard machines. It's got the same motor. So I took the bad coil off of the Troybilt and I put it on here just to show you what it ran like, if it'll run at all. Basically how it ran. I'm going to prime it a few times. That's exactly how that other one was running. So basically, in conclusion, we have a bad coil. And I personally never really ran into a bad coil before. This is really my first time I've run across it. And maybe that's why it was kicking my ass. I tried testing the spark, and when it would run, the spark seemed fine on my spark tester. But with the backfiring and everything weird, I adjusted the valves and everything on that one. This is still mine. And it didn't, nothing was wrong. It was a year old. So if you're running into that, it running like crap, it may be the coil. I just happened to have a matching machine so I could swap out parts until I found the problem. But maybe this will help somebody out, save you some time.